Hey friends, in this video we'll learn very basic about what is resistance, its symbol, its unit, and the cause of resistance. Now before actually moving into the concept, let me show you something. Great! It seems as if these people are enjoying a bumpy ride. Now to cross the speed breaker, they have to keep the speed of the car really slow. Else, oops, this will happen. The second biker immediately reduces his speed after watching his friend's crazy bike stunt. Why am I showing you all this? You must be confused right now. Well, have patience. So, what's the purpose of speed breaker on the road? To slow down the speed of the vehicle, right? Exactly same is the purpose of resistance in the circuit. So children, remember, resistance is like a speed breaker. Like speed breaker is slowing down the speed of the bike here, in same way, resistance slows down the speed of the current in the circuit. If you keep this example in your mind, you can never go wrong with your concept. Let's define resistance. Resistance is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of current through it. Property means quality. Conductor can be metal wire. Resist means to stop. Or you can say resistance is ability of a conductor to oppose current through it. As you all know, resistance is represented by capital R. Its SI unit is ohm, represented by omega sign. In circuit, resistance is represented by this symbol. These tiny components used to resist the flow of current in a circuit is called resistor. Well, boys are really fond of dismantling electrical appliances at their home. They must have seen it. I think these resistors, they resemble like a seekh kebab. So, in practical applications, resistors are used to increase or decrease the current. Good conductors have low resistance as current can flow through them easily. So less hindrance, less stoppage means resistance is low. Poor conductors have high resistance as current cannot flow easily through them. So more stoppage, that means high resistance. Now what's the cause of resistance? As you can see in this picture, a metal wire is connected to a battery. Current flows from positive to negative terminal and electrons, they flow from negative to positive terminal of the battery. In this diagram, red dots are electrons moving from negative to positive terminal and blue circles are the atom of this wire. So on the way, these electrons, they meet other atom and electrons of the wire and collides with them, which reduces their speed. This hindrance is basically the cause of resistance. So that's all for this video. In my next video, I'll discuss types of resistances and factors on which resistance depends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.